Claire's helping me sort Lego, which is very useful and helpful. Very nice of her.
Look at my flabbies.
Claire's a little bit self-conscious about her weight, which is a bit ridiculous, I would say. Especially when you look at this. Dinner today, it's Sunday by the way. Dinner today is, get the framing right, chili con carne. It's just simmering. Yeah, still a little bit moist as you can see there, moist. So nearly ready though. Probably start doing, yeah, it's nearly there actually. I'm going to start doing the rice now.
A little bit, and then get him to hold his mouth should stay open a little bit. As soon as he studies, you can toss it in there. Okay.
It's Bank Holiday Monday today. I'm about to review, yeah, I sent these meal enders things, which are like they're basically weight loss lozenges. Or I'm going to call the video like weight loss candy, like clickbaity and that. And then I'm going to review the Fanta. I've got six varieties. Because apparently there's 3 different flavours in this. So hopefully I haven't just got 6 of the same there. Anyway, let's do that. Okay, the sun has risen on another working week. It's Tuesday. And I'm just about to start work. I'm just about to... Well, I'm just going to prep this for later. I've got these storage units, or no, units, are they? Storage containers from eBay. And I'm just going to sort out a few of these. I think initially, I don't actually know, I'm thinking like maybe colour first. So maybe go from like dark green into yellow. But I haven't exactly decided yet. Yeah, so we'll see. We'll see. Whoa! Bernie the bus! There's a bus driving past. Okay, working day is over and I'm now making dinner, which is burritos using leftover chili and guac. I'm going to make a cheese sauce with these cheese slices and water. I know that sounds weird, but I heard it on Bon Appetit, so yeah, hopefully that works. We're also, I don't know about mayo, we're definitely going to have barbecue sauce in there as well. Might chop up this tomato. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to oven bake them as well, so they're going to be harder on the outside, you know. So yeah, I've never cooked burritos in the oven before, but it gives them a nice like harder coating on the outside. Obviously a little drier because the oven dries it out rather than something like frying, which wouldn't dry it out as much. But yeah, nice, tasty. So yeah, dinner was alright, not too bad. I've since had the Cookie Mill birthday cake cookies. They're just incredible. I'll get some shots later to show you. Can you buy them? I'm not sure if they're going on sale again actually. They're going on sale this Friday, but this video is going to go up after Friday, so I don't know. It's, like I say, it's Tuesday. At 8 PM there's this Boo Boris thing, which I don't know 100%, I'm not 100% sure how I feel about it. Because on the one hand, definitely want to boo him. On the other hand, it's like, I'm not sure it's that helpful. But you could argue that neither is clapping. But clapping shows people that you care. Booing sort of shows people that you care. Because, I mean, the problem is, this is a man who has backed Dominic Cummings. And Dominic Cummings yesterday, first of all, wasted all of our time with being half an hour late. Pretty disrespectful. You know that half the country is watching you. So that's like literally hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of hours of people's bank holiday that they lost. Like that's just the conference hasn't even started, and that's an issue. But for me personally, half an hour late, whatever, you know, but it all adds up. But then, like, his refusing to apologise, insane. The excuses, absolutely baffling. And then during this address, in which basically he is expected to apologise, and basically explaining his actions, like, this caused such an uproar that there needed to be an hour-long conference for him to explain his actions. And then during that he lied. Like, he basically said that he wrote about the coronavirus, or rather he wrote about coronaviruses, like he said last year. And it turns out people have found on the internet Wayback Machine. They've gone to that page, and it didn't say that at all. It was edited in, like I think it was earlier this month, or when he got back from this retreat. And it's just, even in this address where you're basically, although you didn't apologise, this is basically your apology address. You lied in that, and it's just baffling. And it's the latest piece in the government's utter failings of this crisis. Like, it's just insane. So from that perspective, and this Boris Johnson, obviously he's the man in charge, and he's the man who's contributed, and his party has contributed to years of austerity and everything that is transpiring in the country, and this has all resulted in tens of thousands more deaths than was necessary. Like, tens of thousands of people have died because of how badly this government has handled it. That is a fact. That is indisputable. That tens of thousands of people, more people, have died than should have done. And sort of a little boo compared to that in the grand scheme of things. Yeah, maybe I should. You may be interested to hear that I did not boo, because
Did anyone boo?
I didn't hear anyone boo. I have to confess I didn't boo because my life doesn't revolve around 8 PM. I just get on with my life and then it just happens. That's why I'm sat here every time they're clapping, and then suddenly like, what's that? And I was like, oh yeah, let's get clapping for the heroic NHS. But yeah, no, didn't boo. I'll boo now. Boo! So. Yeah, we're getting the windows cleaned right now.
You'll be able to see him better when he comes out.
Oh my god, obviously. Just finished work, and today we are making Nando's chicken with couscous and corn. So there's the beautiful Nando's sauce. It is very good. I highly recommend it. I would say this is the best one. The mango and lime marinade. It claims to be a marinade, but we just cook it in it, and then you can pour it on afterwards as well, and that's decent. This is okay. This is not too bad. This is just not okay. It is good. It is good, but it's not as good as that. The eagle-eyed viewers amongst you might have spotted these ingredients, which of course I'm sure you'll be aware is for espresso martini. Never tried it, so I'm going to make one in a second. Well, I'm going to make two, as you can see. Claire's finishing work in about 10 minutes, so I'm going to rustle up those for us as a post-work treat. I did make bread earlier. I'm not sure about the yeast. I think the yeast is probably not the best, but it is proving nicely. That has risen. That has definitely risen quite a lot. That's probably going to be for pizza in a couple of days. As long as it works, it's going to be pizza for Friday, I should think. But we have got backup meal in case that goes wrong. It's very strong, but I love the vanilla notes and I love the froth. Yeah, I can understand why people like that. This is apparently the last time, innit? The selfish nurses and NHS workers have said they don't want us to clap anymore. That's obviously a joke, innit? Because they're not selfish. So yeah, big up, big respect to all you NHS workers. Thank you for keeping us safe despite the government's best efforts to hamper your abilities. Nah, good. This vlog's been too political, hasn't it? Right, I'm now going to watch, well, when this bracket stops, I'm going to watch Dark on Netflix. Big recommendation. Jeffrey Epstein, Filthy Rich. Huh. Ooh, that might be worth a watch. Pedo. But yeah, right now I'm going to watch Dark, which is a great show, sort of time travel-y and whatnot, and sci-fi bands. Here we go. Good morning, it's, excuse me, it's now Friday. Wow. This is getting bigger. For dinner we are having pizza. I've got 2 doughs and I really don't know whether to let it come up to temperature, like room temperature first, which is obviously the one I've got here. God, it's so aerated. Or keep it in the fridge, right? So I have got one in the fridge as well. And we'll basically see which one works better. I'll probably do a pizza and a garlic bread. So yeah, cool. Anyway, good. I'm just logging into work, so I'm gonna have a shower quickly. Anyway, just about to start work. Good. There's the refrigerated one. A little bit more deflated. Interesting. Just finished work. Bit of an up and downy week really. Mainly Downey. Robert Downey Jr. Just boring, isn't it? At least the weather's nice. Cooking pizza. Sure, I probably showed my dough already, but show it again. This is the bit that's definitely going to go wrong, I'm sure. Tipping this out and forming it into a pizza. Yeah, so I look forward to that going catastrophically wrong. Catastrophically wrong in about 10 minutes. So yeah, I'll give you an update then. Looking forward to it. Fucking up. Okay, this is the garlic bread. This was the one that was out of the fridge. So let's see how this goes. Not sure. This looks good. The dough's folded over here, so hopefully there's not a little sachet of uncooked dough there. No, it's cooked, definitely cooked. But yeah, there we go. Looks nice. This is very tasty. The texture there is amazing, where the air bubbles have expanded it. Real good. Wow, it actually made a circular pizza. It looks really good. I hope it tastes good. Right, let's give this a go. That's pretty good. So I just did a live stream, first ever Patreon live stream actually. It was the Fruck Show Extra live stream, which was fun, decent, enjoyable. I think I'm going to wrap up this vlog there. Yeah, I'm not convinced anything interesting happened this week, other than I just got really political and irritating. Well, and hay fevery. Got hay fevery this week. I'm not sure I even mentioned that we started watching Dark, which is a German show on Netflix. Rich recommended it. I can't remember if, because it came out like a couple of years ago, and I think I heard a few people recommend it, but I'm sure I heard a few people slate it, and I'm sure I heard a few people saying that it was really pretentious and really, did they say confusing, or did they say pretentious and stupid and confusing, or something like that. And yeah, it is. Yeah, it's not the easiest thing to follow, but it's not like it's not like impossible, and it's like. But it's just brilliant. Like, you've got to be an idiot if you don't like that show. So yeah, I've been watching that. We'll probably we finished season 1 last night, so we'll probably try and crack on with season 2 this weekend. Anyway, today I'm going to do a lot of Lego. I'm going to try and clean up some of this stuff. I think we might be going to B&M later, because we need to get some essentials, some cleaning essentials. I think I want curry for dinner. I think that's the thing that I definitely want, probably. I kind of want burgers as well, though. I sort of can't 100% decide. I haven't 100% decided, sort of. But I'm going to crack on with Oscorp. Yesterday, I received some Lego bricks that I've been waiting for like 3 weeks that were just delayed in the postal system, not the seller's fault. And it's what's been preventing me from cracking on with Oscorp. So I've received them now. So actually, after this video, I'm probably going to build a bit of Lego. See what the deal is with Claire, if we're going B&M or what's going on. Build a bit of Lego. I could do a bit of YouTube. I might not do a bit of YouTube today, actually, because I've done quite a lot recently. Yeah, and I think concentrate on some Lego for the rest of the morning. I think that's what I want to do. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Actually, I might edit this video, to be honest. I might edit it and get it up on a Saturday for a change instead of a Sunday. I might do that. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you are having a good time in lockdown. Next episode, which is going to be week 10 or 11 of lockdown, should be good. Chiefly, I'd say the thing next week that is most exciting is that they are revealing the PlayStation 5 on Thursday. They're revealing it, so I think they'll show it off. I reckon they'll show off the controller more and what it can do, talk about it more in depth. They'll certainly show the console, and they've also said they're going to be showing some of the games that we'll be playing on launch. So that's super exciting. I'm sure they'll announce like the big first party game or games that we'll be playing. And I need to sort of percolate in my head between now and November time. I need to think about saving money for that and for a 4K TV, which will probably be around £1,000 for those two combined. So I have some serious thinking to do, basically. Bye.